Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like what kind of funnel you should use in order to grow your business. So I have been using few of the funnels and this one seemed to be really working for me. I just wanted to share about this in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be documenting my affiliate marketing journey on this channel. And also I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, email marketing, etc. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also before I actually talk about today's topic, be sure to check out the program by my mentor Sebastian Gomez, that is Work with Sebastian. This is one of the greatest affiliate program I have ever seen. You're gonna get all the resources and you're gonna get a chance to promote high ticket and recurring commission programs. So be sure to check it out. And coming back to today's topic, like I kind of like before I actually launch any product, the major obstacle that comes when it comes to people from buying your product is that like the trust factor, because the trust factor will be there will be none when you, for example, I have tested this funnel, like I have created a simple opt-in page and the next page is a sales page or a checkout page. Okay, and once you drive the traffic to that particular page, the chances are that like once the person goes through that page, he may not buy immediately. So that's the one step. The other one is like the reason could be because the person is not aware how aware like if that product is going to help you. And nowadays people are skeptical about the things, like they don't want to buy immediately. So this was the problem with this type of funnel, the simple two-step funnel. The one more funnel like which works best for me is like the free training funnel. So in the free training funnel, what happens is like you can use that free training as a lead magnet first thing, and then you can show people like step number 1, 2, 3, like what can be done using that free training. And in the training, in the end, like you're gonna promote your offer, and also in the training you're gonna pre-educate about your offer in those free training. So this way you provide massive value upfront using the free training, and the person becomes aware about you, and there is a chances are very high that he's gonna buy. So this could be very simple. You can create a simple membership site in ClickFunnels, or you can do it in other sales funnel builder softwares. But I use ClickFunnels, where you can just create a simple members area where you can add lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the lessons itself, after the first lesson, you can write up the sales page where you can promote your offer as well. So it could be as simple as that. Let's say consider like you're targeting some gym owners like who wants to get their first 20 customers. So you're gonna give them free training, like grow your audience with Facebook ads for gym owners, something like that. Get your first 20 customers within the 30 days by doing this is your headline, and this is where once you run an ad, like once they will come to your page and they will enter the email in exchange of getting that free training from you. And once they start consuming the content, they become aware about you. You're providing so much value. And in the end, like okay, I know you're a gym owner, so you will have other things to take care of, but if you need any help with running your Facebook ad, just give me a call. There's a call to action, and we can work it out together, like how we can work together in the future. So this is a simple process. Like the first, you created that lead magnet by providing the free training, and once the person comes in, he goes through the training, and he will be amazed with the kind of value of providing for free. And the chances, now he has built the trust with you. Now the chances are very high that he is going to make that call in order to give you assignment or buy any other product. This is just an example I gave. You can do it with any other process. Like if you have a course like you want to promote, and if you want to consult somebody, so this can be applied to any process. This is a simple process and it works the best, guys. And if you want to run an ad directly to offer, chances are very rare that people are going to come and buy that immediately. But if you do it this way, this is going to give you massive momentum, and this will convert much better when it compared to the other funnels which I spoke about, like opt-in and directly the sales page. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you want to see how this structure works in the program, like Work with Sebastian, so my mentor is gonna give you all the funnels that are designed in such a way. All the free trainings are added, and how you get the chance to promote high ticket and recurring commission programs. So this is one of the greatest affiliate program I have ever seen, and also you're gonna get all the training that is required to grow your business starting from scratch to become advanced level. So be sure to check it out. I'll leave in the link in the description, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.